10 chungus.
We did bring that rope today.
Yeah, I saw the bag.
Yeah, the next one's good, over right. Go this road right here.
Doing rogue again.
Yep, good.
She's one up and him with the nose
John, you're
too.
not good, yeah?
Yep.
Left hand's good coming up. Come on, you got it.
Doesn't like 5'9", but we'll find 11 without the shoes.
Yeah, this ledge is alright, more right on it's better.
Good warm up, man. That was warm up in
You
the
got it, come on.
place. Are we pumped up?
Yep. Then get your left foot up kind of high. That next one that's up way and left, you gotta go deep on it. You got it. You go deep on it. Come on. You got it. Come on. Yep, deeper. Yeah. Yep. And then pinch in the roof. Yeah. And then you'll see your right foot take kind of by your knee. Yep. Big edge up and left. Higher.
I'm going to take this.
Oh, you got that.
Bottom is fun like
We can definitely
Oh,
find
boo.
Yeah, that got me.
11, 9. Yeah.
This does gradually just get you.
Yeah.
No, is it? Yeah. Huh? Okay, I'm clearing it.
Are you going to save me or are you going to
I don't know. I thought this was going to clean.
Yeah. I don't know. Anything else is that?
You want me to clean it?
There's not a monster in my butt. The top looks good. The last one is really